Hello everyone, thank you for joining today. I will be presenting our study on title Driven Multivariate Regression Feature Engineering with Random Forest and XGBoost for accurate weather prediction. This research was conducted by myself, Nur Alamsyah, and our team, Budiman, Venia Restreva, Imanuddin Akbar, Arnold Ropan Sinaga, and Reni Nursanti. And first for introduction section, accurate weather prediction plays a critical role in various fields, including agriculture, disaster management, and urban planning. Despite its importance, predicting multiple weather variables such as temperature and precipitation remain challenging due to complex dependencies. Traditional forecasting models often fail to capture this intricate interaction, leading to less reliable results. Our research aims to address this gap by focusing on two machine learning models, random forest and XGBoost, which can be enhanced with customized feature for better predictive. And this is for our research motivation and objective. Our motivation stems from the limitation in accuracy and data handling capacity seen in traditional model. Models like Random Forest and XGBoost are effectively, but their potential can be significantly enhanced with tailored feature engineering. And for our objective, therefore, was to develop a multivariate regression model and raise it with feature engineering to improve prediction of weather variable. We also aim to evaluate and compare the performance of Random Forest and XGBoost in this context. And this is for our related work session. Previous studies have shown that random forest and ensemble model is highly effectively for complex data as it reduces overfitting through multiple decision trees. XGBoost, on the other hand, has gained popularity for its speed and accuracy, particularly for structured data and regression tasks. Additionally, prior research emphasized that feature engineering, especially using temporal and interaction features, significantly improve the performance of machine learning models in weather forecasting. This background set the stage for uh, our focus and on advanced feature engineering in our approach. And this is our methodology. Our methodology begin with data collection. We use a secondary data set from Kaggle containing about over 142,000 records from Sri Lanka, focusing on a variable like temperature, precipitation, and wind speeds. We then structure our methodology into three main stages: data preprocessing, feature engineering, and model training and evaluation. Our core model for multivariate regression in this study are random forest and XGBoost. First is data preprocessing. We convert the date field to a date time format to extract temporal features. We then selected key features such as temperature and precipitation, handle missing value by either filling or removing complete records, and split the data into training and testing sets using 80-20 ratio. Finally, we standardize the feature adjusting them to a mean of 0 and a standard deviation of 1. This is crucial for algorithms like random forest and XGBoost, which can be sensitive to scale. And for feature engineering, in feature engineering, we apply a rank of technique. Temporal feature like month and day of the week help capture seasonal patterns. Like features which use previous values as input reflect past trends. Rolling window features provided a smoothed presentation of short-term fluctuation, and interaction features which combine multiple variables reveal more complex relationship, and lastly, log transformation help reduce skewness, especially for precipitation data and ensuring a more stable model. And for model training, our model training start with splitting the data into training and testing set in 80-20 ratio. After standardizing the features, we train the rainforest and XGBoost model. Rainforest uses an ensemble of decision trees to make prediction, while XGBoost is a gradient boosting model that build tree sequentially to reduce error. To handle multiple target variable like temperature and precipitation, we use a multi-output regressor, which train one model per target. And for evaluation metric, we use mean square error or MSA and R square metric to evaluate model performance. MSA measures the average square difference between predicted and actual values, with lower values indicating higher accuracy. R square reflect the proportion of variance explained by the model, with values closer to one suggesting a better fit. This metric allow us to comprehensive assess model accuracy both before and after feature engineering. And this is our results. Before and after feature engineering, these results show a clear improvement after feature engineering. For temperature prediction, random forest MSE drop from 1.053 to 0.059, while XGBoost decreased from 1.118 to 0.043. And for R square, also improved significantly, reaching near perfect values. For preparation, we see familiar trends. MSA for random forest drop from 42.126 to 0.019, while XGBoost decreased from 45.194 to 1.826. This change underscores the impact of feature engineering on the model's predictive capabilities. And for our discussion, feature engineering contributed greatly to capturing seasonal and trends and dependency between variables. Our findings are consistent with previous studies, which also show that engineering feature enhance model accuracy. XGBoost performance was particularly notable, reinforcing the importance of selecting and tailoring features for complex dataset. This result highlight that both random forest and XGBoost, when paired with advanced feature engineering perform exceptionally well in weather forecasting. And this is our conclusion section. In conclusion, our study demonstrates that feature engineering is crucial for improving the accuracy and reliability of machine learning model, particularly random forest and XGBoost in weather prediction. Future research could explore more complex engineered feature and potentially apply this approach to other environmental contexts. Our key takeaway is that feature engineering unlock the full potential of machine learning model in weather forecasting. Here our presentation today, and thank you.